Hi YouTube. I'm just doing this video to talk about Seabee Builder A School and the basic technical things you'll learn in Builder A School. I was a CB from 1998 to 2005, so I went to Builder A School in 99. Some of the stuff I'm saying might be a bit outdated, but the basic things should be the same. In Builder A School, you'll learn three things: framing, basic interior finish, so flooring, drywall, painting, and concrete work as well as brickwork. How to place concrete and how to set courses of concrete masonry units and brick. Over those 14 weeks, you'll do what they call a dollhouse, so you'll build a small house from the ground up, meaning you'll do the flooring, you'll frame that, frame the walls, and frame the roof, cut and frame that, cut and frame the stairs. Then you'll do the drywall on that, and then you'll do a section of tile and paint in that, mud it. And you'll also, in that time, you'll be in the classroom learning about different construction techniques. How you'll be evaluated. You'll be evaluated by your basic construction knowledge, so tools and techniques, terminology. You'll do multiple choice and written exams, and then a part of your grade will come from doing practical exercises. So how well can you frame a set of stairs, how well you can cut the stringer, how nicely do you mud a corner, stuff like that. And one thing to keep in mind, usually the top person in your class, so you'll be in a combined class, like usually Navy and Army, or Navy and Air Force. The Navy has the best carpentry schools, so that's why the other branches train in Gulfport. Usually the top person in the class will get advanced out of A school, so that's something to aim for. Study and try to do the practical exercises, do them as precisely as you can. It's nice to get advanced out of A school. And that's basically what you'll learn in Builder A school. So just to recap, you're gonna learn framing, concrete work, interior finish, flooring, painting, drywalling, and how to set a course of bricks. If you compare that to, say, a technical college or apprenticeship program, obviously those people that go through that are going to learn a lot more because they're going to spend a lot more time in Pacific areas. Builder A school is 14 weeks in Gulfport, and you have a lot of military stuff you're doing and PT, and it's not designed to turn people into craftsmen. You do have opportunities afterwards that I'll talk about in the next videos. So it's just in Builder A school, you learn how to do carpentry and basic construction stuff, the Navy way, using the Navy's tools, and that's getting in and out of an area, putting something down and moving on. It's not spending years working on one project. Remember, a lot of the time CV projects are done within, at least in battalion, within a 7 to 8 month window. So these are not developments, so it's just learning the standard techniques, the central skills you'll need when you get to your first command. Yeah, it's a good skill set to have. And one other thing I'll mention in this video is that people are going to come in to the Builder A school with different levels of knowledge. Remember, construction is a common thing outside the Navy, especially carpentry. So it's not like sub school or some of the other Navy A schools where people are kind of going to come in at the same level. In Builder A school, and when I was in A school, you're going to have people with all different experiences in carpentry. So people with 3-4 years, maybe they even owned a company to people who have never held a hammer before. So you also learn from your classmates as well. At least when I was in A school, you know, I did. I came in with some knowledge, but I learned from some of the other people. But with all that said, it's a good career choice, I think, in the Navy, and it's definitely these skills you can use outside the Navy. So if you're going to Gulfport and watching this video, if you're thinking about it to do the Builder A school, I would say, just do well, and it's not that hard. Just do the best you can, and enjoy that time that you're there as an A school student, and just learn what you can, and remember that when you get to your first command, you may not be doing that, but you'll at some point, some of those skills you will use. Yeah, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I'll also put a link that has more information about Builder A School. In the next videos, I might talk about how to, when you get someone to do a video about battalion, so when you get to battalion as a builder, what you can do to set yourself up to get good projects, to get good experience, and also what a builder might do in a typical battalion deployment, those 6, 7, 8 months, what kinds of projects you would work on during a first enlistment, and what you should do to kind of give your career a boost. But hope to see you on the next video, and yeah, thanks for watching this, and see you next time.